Good morning, boys and girls. This is for Thursday, February 6th assignments. Try to get it in Thursday evening, Thursday night. I can see that some of you guys have more support in the evening time, and that's fine. I'm just going to check it on Friday during the day. For those of you guys who are a little bit further behind, good news. Today is more like a catch-up day as I'm starting to read the rest of your narratives. I can see a lot of you still need to turn those in. And so just to go over what you need to do for Thursday, you can see that we have a reading workshop assignment. And so I'm going to put in a choice board video that you need to watch, which will help you understand what you need to do. And some more optional activities that you guys can work on today. Go ahead and start going into Typing Club. If you don't remember your password, email me. I'll try to respond to you guys as soon as I can, depending on when you guys email me. You may work on Prodigy today. I'll be assigning some things that are more focused on measurement. And also, please take a brain break. I've put in a new Family Go Noodle website, so you guys can click on here, get some movement, make sure you guys are staying active. You can also log these into your PE 1 hour a day log, which I think that you guys should have started by now. And also Mr. Maurer has created a YouTube video of just some cool things that you can do at home. You can just go ahead and turn it on, learn 1 or 2 of the things, and do 30 seconds of each or a minute of each, just so that you're getting your heart rate moving. Okay, so I'm going to go and link in a video here as well that you can watch right after you're done watching this video. For those of you guys who feel a little bit behind and overwhelmed, just slowly go back to the beginning where you've left off. I'm still missing a couple of the check-ins, but get what you can done. I know that this is a little bit new, but next week we are going to be adding a lot more content, so I want to make sure you guys are feeling comfortable with this. I'll also do maybe some follow-up video chats that we can schedule next week as well. Let me know how you guys are doing. Email me if you guys have any additional prayer requests or questions. All right, I miss you guys. Bye.